Hi everyone, it's me, Piana, and I don't know why I'm whispering. Okay, so I should stop whispering. And I just made the best one. Okay, so I like to tell you about some of my videos. That's the first thing I wanted to tell you. So today, so far, this is my fourth video. I know I'm pretty crazy, but I'm not like any other famous YouTubers. I just like having a date, and I like filming videos, Done. Okay, so today I've made something called Slime Compare. Part 1, Slime Compare Part 2, and Slime Compare Part 3. Those are really fun. Go and check all of those out in order 1, 2, 3. Duh. Right? Okay, so also, just wanted to tell you guys I'm making one thing of this slime. I'm just it. So I'm gonna see what happens when I add the glitter before the glue. Also, if you're wondering what's right here, I'll try and hold it over. You're wondering what this? I can't get it anything. If you're wondering what this, what? Nothing. If you're wondering what this is, it's like a cart. So this is gonna be so glittery, like so glittery. So I added this much glitter. It's like down to the bottom. And more. Okay. I'm gonna get out my glue that I've halfway used. So I'm making it like a cake, like the bottom is chocolate. So I like to coat the whole top.
Oatmeal?
What?
Oatmeal slime.
No, glitter. So guys, he thought this was oatmeal slime. Maybe I should try that. But this one, instead of cornmeal, I'm going to try flour, which is very, very weird. So I'm almost done coating. Okay, just one coat on the outside. Right there. Okay, we're done with the coat. So I'm going to go get my flour. I'm going to do flour. I'm going to keep this glue ball out because I'm going to do the rest of it for slimes today. So I'm going to try flour instead of cornmeal. See what happens. So I'm getting the flour from my pantry. Okay, where's the flour? Oh, found it. Okay, I also found oats. Let's see what happens. Really, I just shared it with me. Like, these are steel cut, so they're different from normal oats. This is like food slime finish, except for the glue and the glitter. Pretty much food slime. Okay, so I hope the flour works the same as cornmeal. It makes it powdery and beautiful. So this one I'm not adding conditioner. I'm adding this water stuff. And again, I have not mixed it at all. So this might not work the same. Really probably won't, because at the start I was supposed to mix it all up together before I added the water. But I guess I did it different. So this is like an oatmeal dough. It's sticky, which is really cool. It's really, really different. Come on. forgot I was filming. Okay, then I looked up. Okay, so this is actually pretty cool. The glitter's really noticeable. All it needs is like one more small pour of this stuff. Okay, I wish you guys could see what I'm doing. The bowl is really messy, but my mom let this be a slime bowl, so that's okay. It's good. Okay, so this slime was a total success. This slime dripped water and stuff, but that doesn't mean that it's not awesome. A baby what? Here, guys. So guys, this is not as stretchy. It's really tight, so I'm gonna add some lotion soon. But this is a total keep. This is not a fail. So now I'm gonna do it without oats. I'm just gonna do flour. Before my mom comes inside, she's watering the plants. Okay. I need some glue. Open the bottle. Whoa, it almost leaked everywhere. Come on. This is again something that's it's another, I like to call it food slime, even though it's not all food. It's just a really, I think it's a really fun name. I put these foods away, and my mom is about to come in. Good, perfect timing, Fiona. Okay, so everyone, the food's out of the way. We are getting a mixing tool. A mixing tool is way over here. This food. So it's in a smaller container, much smaller. That's why it's such a small amount. Never really knowing why. I wish I could be like a daughter as a cat to water. Okay, where did that steep? What? I like to call this oat slime. One, there are oats in it. Two, are oats stretchy? It looks like one of the oats in here. Let me see the difference. It's really not big at all. It's so small. This is how small it was, and then this isn't stretchy. Well, pretty much is, but it's the shape. So you like pull it, no matter what, it'll form into that shape. If you fold it like sideways, you pull shape. And if you like make it into a ball, you pull shape. Might be an observation. Also, those are really messy. Ha! Oats are just falling out of it when I'm just shaking it lightly. Okay, so who got in this way? We'll fix that. Okay, so I did not get enough space, so I need to open another bottle. I think this is that. Nope, this is not open yet. For some reason it sucks. Mom! You won't have to come in now. This is powdery, really powdery, because it's flour. No. So I'm actually, since this one doesn't soak, it doesn't like if you had wood outside, it would if it rained and you had wood outside, it would probably soak in oh, it's just so soft. It's like it's a bit sticky. Well, it doesn't really leave anything. Gosh, this is so fluffy. I found a new way to make fluffy slime. Okay, so it's just getting stickier. It happens sometimes. But we can not push enough with the activator. So play. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay. So I actually have to go outside and wash off these bowls. But thank you guys so much for watching. The 2 slimes I have just made are an epic awesomeness. Okay, so let me show you guys the texture of this. You have sounds. So it's like normal slime, but it is much softer and fluffier. Doesn't it look like it? And it's not really fast. It's not a melter. And it does not get lines. But that shows that it's too fluffy to get lines. It can't get lines. It drips too fast. It can't go like, and it can't form lines really fast. But I don't mind it being sticky like this, but then you pull it off and nothing gets in your hand. Oh my god, people, I wish you guys could hold this. Soon I'm getting a website. I'm gonna call it Idea Station. Today I think I'll start setting it up, and this will be selling in big batches, like huge. Let's see. I have Diet Coke in the cup, but I'll show you guys what size the thing will be. It'll be that big. That's a really good, and then that'll be like for $15, I guess. Of this okay, so guys, your slime, if you go on Idea Station, that's gonna be a website coming up soon. But if you search it, and you search flour, if you search flour slime, it will not be sticky like this unless you order it sticky. You'll get like you can order a custom package. You can choose, and you can type in different types of slimes. I have a Michael's right next to my house. I think I can get anything from Michael's. Like they have the foam balls. I can do that. I can do shampoo and salt. That'll take a while, but I can do conditioner and cornstarch. Pretty much anything. It'll be really fun if you guys tell me in the comments of any of my videos that you have went onto Idea Station. I'll be like, that would be so cool, you guys. The site hasn't came up yet. I'm almost done creating it. But guys, this is such, oh my gosh, that'll be so fun, guys. I do something that you do too. That'll be really fun. Also, tell me in the comments down below if you have a website, and I'll definitely go on there. And if you sell stuff, of course, I'll buy something. If you have information like biography stuff, of course I'll use you for my biography. We have a biography we have to do every year. Our 3rd grade teacher started it. I'm in 4th grade. Our 3rd grade teacher started a, oh my gosh, this is so fluffy. I don't care that it's a bit sticky, because it comes right off, and it doesn't leave excess anything. Gosh, there's a perfect size bag right here. It's too small. Okay, so, I don't know, let me take this out of my hand. Okay, I need to put it in the bag right now. But, I mean, you guys, that would be so Well, if you guys had a website and then I guys had a website, with Josh also. So see you guys very soon. If you're one of my daily watchers, you're my best friend. If you're a subscriber or a liker or a commenter, that would be really nice. I love that. I love just looking and being, oh my gosh, I got a comment. I got a comment. That makes me really excited to say on my YouTube channel. Yes, I have one, which you didn't really know. It's actually really fun, and that'll give me a real pleasure. That'll make me so happy. But before I put this away, I need to go show it to my dad. Let's look at his reaction. So yeah, let's go look at his reaction. Okay, wait. So he's coming. Let's film his reaction. I'm trying to move the camera. This slime is so fluffy. I don't know how I made it so fluffy. But I just did, I guess. Okay, Dad, come on over. There are 2 slimes I need you to react to. Like, let's see what your reaction is to what they feel like. Okay, what do you think this one feels like?
Well, it's sticky.
No.
It's really
It
sticky to my skin.
sticks. Like, it doesn't. You take it off. It won't like.
No, it won't come off.
So I guess your reaction is stickiness.
Oh yeah, it just won't. It's like an octopus. Every time you pull it off, it sticks another.
Okay, how about this one?
Oh, this is nice. I like this.
Yeah, I love that one. That one
It's
is.
like glittery.
Yeah, it's glitter and has like little pom-poms in it.
Pom-poms.
Baby
I thought it was like a little chocolate chip that you eat it. You didn't tell me. You told me about this. But
This one is
good.
really fun.
Yeah, that one is just got a lot of action and it's got all those sensations.
Now, Dad.
Thank you for allowing me to give my opinion. I don't like the first one at all.
Yeah, okay. This is my favorite slime. It's so cold. Okay, so guys, this is number 1. In the comments, tell me which one you think would feel.
It just says here.
Let's see which one's squeezes better. Oh, I feel like this one squeezes better. But let's see which one sticks better. Oh, whoa! I just caught it. I was like this. Okay, so I'll just stick this. But guys, if you make this recipe with the flour, it doesn't stick. It looks like it is sticking, but you take it off and it doesn't leave any track. Even if it did leave track, you could just take it off and you could go like this, and it would come right off. Just so you know, guys. If you didn't know, I will always try to give you a fun fact in our videos. So this one isn't as stretchy. So if you want it to be stretchier, go ahead and put a dab of lotion, just spread it out like this in your hand, and then you can close the lotion, put it away. And then you go like this, and you grip it and stuff like that. And then you squeeze, and then you go. This is the way I like to mix my slime. I'm adding color or something, so I go like this, and I go like that, and then I take my hand and go like this. Let me show you guys how I do it. So it's like a phone sort of. Then I get my fingers in it. This isn't the one that does it. See, this one does it. Doesn't really matter the size. I go like this. I go like this, and then I go like this. I put my hand on it, and I go like that. And then I mix it up, and then this is the main way I do it. I put my hands on like that, sideways, and then I flip my hand, then I let that hand go on, and then I pull, and then I put my 2 pointer fingers and stuff, and then I go like that. And then you go the other way, and go like that until there's no more slime on your finger. Again, it's sticky. It may be very sticky, but it may be fun. You never know. So let me get my baggie. Let me show you how I apply a bag. I'm looking for it. Where'd it go? Bag. Where'd it go? Bag. Oh, it fell. Okay. So you set in this one. It doesn't have its own kind of everything. It doesn't do anything. I'm kidding. I'm not tired. When you open up your bag, you roll it up. It's just a shoe insert. Roll it and then you put it. You like it's like a worm going into your bag. You have to do it pretty fast. That's why you need to open your thing at the start. You stuff it in there. It's actually, this bag might be a little bit too big. I mean, it's small. I'm stuffing it. I don't care if it's stuck in there. I can make a bigger bag soon. It's not really sticking in the bag. So guys, if you want to watch any more of my videos, most of all of them should be about 20 to 30 minutes. No, I'm sorry guys, I just have a lot to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to press that notification. Press that notification bell. Subscribe and like all my videos. By the way, this means aloha to me. By the way, aloha means goodbye and hi. From now on, I'm going to close by going like this, and then it's going to cover the screen, and then I'm going to press off, okay? So, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.